plans, yun ang titignan namin, yun yung focus natin. At tingnan natin kung ano ba talagang naging dahilan kung bakit sila nasira. At kung talagang legitimate yung dahilan ng pagkasira nila.
Ano mong isang safe power plant sir?
Ito, Pagbilao, SL Tech, Calaca, SCPC, San Miguel to and Southwest Luzon Power Generation Corporation. So Southwest Luzon, Pagbilao, South Luzon Thermals, ito Cagayan, Calaca and San Miguel Consolidated.
Hindi pa alam sir kung ano yung damage sa kanila.
Iba-iba force outage, iba-iba, no? Boiler tube leak, boiler tube leak. Actually famous ang boiler tube leak.
Pero sir, before election, hindi na dapat maging dahilan yan. Tama.
On the election